And here we have the amazing new Auto Fold and Go scooter. It folds up on its own in only a few seconds. Very easy to do, just point the remote control, as shown in the video here, or you can press the buttons that are on the dashboard. So if you ever lost your remote control or the batteries failed on the remote control, you're not going to be stuck. You've got little buttons recessed into the dashboard to fold and unfold your auto folding scooter. It's so easy that you just point the remote control at the scooter and it will do all the work for you. You haven't got to stoop down and struggle with the scooter. You haven't got to crouch down to press any buttons. It's all done with the press of the remote control on your keyring. So it's so simple and easy. It's a fabulous product.